See it? See it back there? I have built a better birdhouse. You know, a couple of things I want to talk about is how the birds were afraid. When I was working, I had to move the bougainvillea and one of the bird feeders to the back, right next to the back porch. I moved the bird feeder because for the winter. I want to get my birds accustomed to it. But at this point, I have done something else. I've created another beauty spot. And I want to talk to you about the next step. Something that is brutally difficult. One of them is copy-paste. Copy-paste. To create this next beauty spot, I needed to clean out a lot of this thicket of crackerjack marigolds that are glorious, but they're annuals. They're just seeds. They're easy to remove. That's one of the beauties about using annuals, is that you don't really get too upset. At least I don't, when I have to yank one out. Some of the things I hate to yank out. But anyway, I deleted it from over here. I copied it, and I pasted it over here. Now, I've already learned that transplanted marigolds don't grow well. So what have I done here? I'm just throwing them in a pile. And I am creating new earth. There's a low spot right here. I put cardboard underneath it. Now I'm putting compost. I do compost in my garden. I copy, paste, ruminate on it, and it may turn into another plant. It doesn't. I get tomato plants out of my compost all the time. But what I really want is for it to make new soil. Because unless you have soil, you don't have a garden. I still hadn't finished my story about why I use cardboard. I use cardboard to block weeds. Well, I used it here, and I don't think there's a weed inside. I've been blocking weeds here for so long. But cardboard, just like these marigolds, will deteriorate, will turn into earth. And the best thing about cardboard is that earthworms love cardboard. They come up from the earth, chew into the cardboard, pulverize it, make castings into the earth, and inch by inch, you have new earth. I have copied and I've pasted. I've put some cardboard beneath it, and I'm making new earth.